Have you guys wondered what it's like to travel at all right now? So today I am in a tiny little airport of Norfolk, Virginia, and generally it is on the quieter side, but guys, this is just freaky being here and there's nobody at the gate. But I want to let you know that this isn't how travel is across the country. This isn't how travel is at every airport out there. So I've been traveling probably every week, every other week since at least June, and I want to let you know that things are picking up. You know, here come October 1st, as we approach this date, it's one of the scariest dates for anybody in aviation, or at least the commercial industry right now. And come October 1st, people are being threatened with furloughs, losing their jobs, whether it's just temporarily for the next year or two, or indefinitely. Nobody really knows. So I just want to encourage you guys to get out there and travel. And airlines are taking safety precautions. There's still airlines like Southwest who are leaving all the middle seats open, unless you're with your family. But everything just, I'm happy to say that some things do still feel normal on the airplane. You know, I'm seeing planes that are being filled up. The only requirement is being that you get on there with your mask on, covering both your nose and mouth, which is understandable. And people are starting to fly more. They're starting to fill up the flights. Now, when I first started flying again and back in June, some companies were only keeping the aircrafts at an 85% capacity. And I'm happy to see that, you know, from a safety standpoint, but now I'm happy to see that they're opening up things to 100% and people are getting back on the airplanes. So if you are thinking about traveling and you haven't done so, I really want to say get out there. Things are good. If you have a good immune system, if you aren't compromised in any way, I just want to encourage you that things are safe. People are taking precautions. Companies are handing out, as soon as you get on the airplane, little Sandy wipe packets, so this way you can wipe everything down. But not everything is as crazy empty as this. It's really been interesting. So I came to Chicago on Tuesday night and things were pretty quiet, but when I left Wednesday night, things had really picked up, so I'm happy to see that. So guys, get out there, travel, and here's just some clips of the different places that I've been. Some places are quiet, some places are picking up, but just please, for the sake of all those people out there who are facing losing their jobs, get out there and travel. Let's get this travel world back on its feet.